Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a secret key. First, understand that a secret key is a fundamental component in modern cryptography, essential for securing digital interactions. It acts as a password for encrypting and decrypting information, ensuring only authorized parties can access sensitive data. We'll explore the primary methods for obtaining these keys, focusing on secure generation and management practices. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone working with secure systems. The most reliable way to get a secret key is by generating it yourself using a cryptographic library. These libraries, available in most programming languages, provide functions designed for secure key creation. You'll typically specify the key length, such as 256 bits, and the algorithm, like AES. Always ensure your system has enough randomness or entropy to produce truly unpredictable keys. Avoid hard-coding keys directly into your applications. Once generated, securely handling your secret key is paramount. Never expose it in plain text within your code or configuration files. Instead, use environment variables, secure vaults, or hardware security modules for storage. Access to these keys should be strictly controlled, following the principle of least privilege. Regular key rotation, perhaps every 90 days, adds another layer of protection against potential compromises. Effective key management is crucial for long-term security. This involves not just generation and storage, but also distribution, rotation, and eventual revocation. Utilize dedicated key management services to automate these processes and maintain a clear audit trail. Always prioritize strong access controls and encryption for keys at rest and in transit. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.